Aspirants for the civil services often ask me how they should prepare themselves for the civil services examination. First off, you must understand that the CSE is not an examination to select scholars, but to select persons suitable for occupying top administrative positions in various departments of the Government of India as well as governments of the states. What type of a person is likely to get selected in the present system of CSC? Such a person who gets selected will know how to handle multifarious tasks and maintain a storehouse of innumerable bits of information in his mind. Then only, as the collector or the SP of a district, he will not get into the embarrassing situation of not having any idea of what some press person or politician is asking. This skill for handling large amounts of bits of information is tested in paper 1 of the preliminary examination. Such an officer should not get stuck with minor calculations or look amazed when one of the engineers under him is explaining some technical point. That is why the CSAT. Such a person will be expected to produce analytical reports and give summaries to his seniors as well as to the government. This skill of lucid and effective writing is tested through the essay and the GS papers. Such a person should be able to understand and discuss complex academic and intellectual content, hence the optional in the mains exams. He should have a good bearing and should be articulate. He should not get nervous or talk in a confused manner, hence the interview. Thus, you can see that each phase of the examination is planned for a certain purpose. If you understand this entire scheme, it will be easier for you to plan for each phase of the examination. Let us consider these one by one. In the prelims, the focus is on the range rather than on the accuracy of the content. A large number of the MCQs require only recognition level awareness. However, some questions give choices that can only be decided if one has accurate knowledge of the subject. These are questions of a more important nature, and application of mind would help one identify such topics. CSAT is understanding based and requires practice. Mains requires accurate knowledge and skills of expression. Therefore, focus should be on accuracy as well as on language skills. Interview focuses on the personality traits of the person. In a way, this is the most crucial phase because the impression you create on an interview board can tilt the balance in your favor or against you. In Dogra's IAS Academy, I keep all this in mind while training my students. For the prelims, I use my databases to conduct what I call rapid fire tests, where the student is bombarded with questions and then the answers for the questions he could not give are sent to him as PDF. For the mains, the focus is on the three mantra formula of content, organization, language. For interview, I not only give tips on how to conduct oneself, but also give ready answers to expected questions. I conduct training through the internet using my own software. This software helps me create a situation which is even more favorable for teaching learning than a classroom situation. I have frequent interactions with the student, and for these short but frequent interactions, I have to do a lot of background work. This is how I take over the burden of preparation on myself and make it a breeze for the student to do the preparation. If you would like to join my course, contact me on my phone number or my email ID. Thank you very much.